What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign up to become a Shopify partner or how to create a Shopify partner account. So creating a Shopify partner account lets you be a partner to get commissions over your sales that you promote. Now the easiest way is to search on Google for Shopify partner account, and you will land on this link right here, become a Shopify partner today. Click on it. And now just enter your email address. So this is different from the normal Shopify account. Enter your email address. So I'm going to do so right now. Okay, join now. And here you can create a Shopify account, sign up with email, or if you do already have a Shopify account, just log in with it. Okay, just continue with email right here. And you need to enter your first name, last name, password, and confirm your password to create a Shopify account, or log in with your account, and then continue the sign up process to be joined with the Shopify partner account. And once I have entered all the needed details, my name, my email, and my password, I'm redirected to a question right here. So what's the main way to plan your use Shopify? Let's say other for now. Now here, which country are located? Okay, United States. Let's leave it at Alabama. Now all I need to do to continue the setup process is to enter my business name, my address, my postal code, my city, and agree to partner program agreement. You can go ahead and read it if you want to, and submit to finish subscribing for the partner program on Shopify.